Here's a better way of making it happen. Identify what you respect and value in that classroom, right? Pick those big words: integrity, trust, grit, faithfulness, or accountability, efficiency, effectiveness. Find quality words, 3, 4 words that mean something in your classroom. Hey gang, Steve Bowler, also known as Stand Tall Steve. Hey, we're talking about your classroom rules. Let me see if this is something like you did. Hey, we have classroom rules here at the beginning of the year. We're going to put these classroom rules on a poster in the front of the room so you can see them. You know what, better yet, we're going to have you come up and sign this poster in the front of the room so you follow these rules. You know what, better, we're going to print out these rules, give them to you on a form. You're going to sign this form saying that you're going to follow these rules that's in the front of the room on this poster. You know what? We're going to send these rules home with you. So you sign them, your parents sign them. So that way you get, we're going to make it a homework grade. We're going to make it a quiz grade. We're going to make it a test grade if your parents sign these form and give it back to us. Does this ever really work? Because that kid's going to be that kid whether you sign that poster, that form, parents sign it or not. I know adults who sign forms and they don't follow through. Here's a better way of making it happen. Identify what you respect and value in that classroom, right? Pick those big words: integrity, trust, grit, faithfulness, or accountability, efficiency, effectiveness. Find quality words, 3, 4 words that mean something in your classroom. And then you still have your rules and your procedures and things. You can have a form, whatever you want on that. But instead of hitting the kids or getting them when they don't do your rules, how about you start recognizing when they hit what it is that you respect and value? That makes for a more positive environment. So therefore now you're looking for them to showcase what it is that you want to have happen instead of looking for them of catching them when they don't do what it is that you want. When they don't do what it is you want, you still address it, but then you go above and beyond and you're like, there you go, you're doing what it is respect and value in this classroom. It just flips the script, makes it so much better. All right, this is Steve Bowler, also known as Stand Tall Steve, and that is your Stand Tall statement.